Shay for tell Queenie for shut up. Cause when Shay done, she go walk and cry. Say, me never trouble him, Me no say, no, me no say nothing about Shebada. Yes, you did. You know, say your woman really look like a chimney. Your woman really look like a chimney just attack suck. Your woman really look like a piss pot. Your woman will favor enamel granite. Eh? A she may attack. You never know. So me not understand. But me I tell, but me not listen to people who I tell like, Shay me say stop talking. Oh, Queen, if you have your location and I call on them my phone. Oh. DJ Sardine say a pure lie, me I tell. Me feel ashamed when she say, me say shit the bitch catch me. I can't bother with DJ Sardine, you know. Everybody a beg me leave DJ Sardine. DJ Sardine nah quit. Only part about life, them believe them truth, you say. Them believe them truth. You know, so them can save them own soul. Believe you me. Yeah. Them believe them own truth. Then you think they're gonna come out and say, Number one from DJ Sardine put up and say, remember, my baby has my GPS location, and besides, we're always on the phone. That means you're not getting no time for chat and some gunman them and what name there? My BFR, Jaden. You're not getting no time. She's not getting no time. I lie me I tell you on the beach. I lie. A little bit and lie. Me lie. I pay like me telling you. And that's the funny part about life. Me little bit and like how Queenie did up on the phone when we were moving out of the Airbnb. Queenie did up on the phone when we were still in the vehicle. And I drive how much miles. And I chat the people that might have filming with information and never hear Queenie on the phone in the background the pan. And Shebada, you want no say you know. Me never hear that. You know how much I did in the vehicle. Allow me to tell you. Allow me to tell you, mama. Anything else it may work with. Yeah. Remember the whole way I do a show? I want it with me now. When me I carry news, if me no remember me I say no, say me no remember that party, God believe me. But it would have one sound so. It would have one thing with me when me I carry news. Because any oh you say I mean no say me go own it. Sister Winnie me I make it racing and I've been letting it race, but here was Sister Winnie me I tell you the truth. You see enough people on the app don't know who Shay be, you know. She are the type of girl in a Sister Winnie where when in your bed asleep beside you and I text people yeah, she drop asleep, come get her now. You don't know that individual. I do. I know that individual. You know what is Jaden's problem? Jaden never beat her to her game, you know. Jaden makes she come and open her mouth. Jaden should have beat her at her game. No, Jaden should have beat her at her game. I tell like nasty people, I don't know. It's true. She is the type of person where she just sit down so and she not faithful to nobody. She just say, I wonder how me can mess up for them life now. And from Shady at Jamaica, she stays, so you know. So when time King did I want to be mouth and say me I shade her, I wasn't shading her. It's just that when I gravitate to some people on the app without knowing them history. And them history not knowing them. And when I gravitate to them so much and they become you say the people then become so meaningful to you know, to the point where them blind, you know. I just that's the problem, you know. Me not throw word, me not throw shades, me just tell it as it is. And it's only you and I can know, say, I'm not throwing shades, I'm telling the truth. You know why? Because you know I know you. You see the difference? You know I know you. That's why I'm never afraid to talk openly. What you are doing at Jaden house? That's all I ask you openly. You know? What you are doing at Jaden house? Queen in a eat Jaden because I just can't see it. And then when you just try to project on people now. Me don't know make people eat me so you know. And I pay a lie them I tell upon me. So if I die me I tell upon you shouldn't hurt it. Remember you walk and tell lie upon people. Huh? Remember everybody in the world tell lie upon Uno. Everybody, Jaden tell lie upon you, me tell lie upon you, everybody where you and them ever cause tell lie upon you. Queenie says she get back because she still have her work. It's true, Queenie, you're gonna keep it. Remember your squatters. Then Queenie have to in the background and sing who's and ours. Remember your name that upon the government list. Remember Shay name the panic because she get it through her daughter. Remember? Remember New York you only forgotten squatters? You should have come in a dance hall, Queen. Because you are squatters upon the grapevine. Remember? So when you come and talk, so you still have back your job. What job? You singing oohs and ahs in the background, that is a job. You think that's a flex? The flex is you not like sex and Shay not like sex. We not do together. Oh, you know say Shay not like sex. Oh, you know say Shay not like sex. Then if Shay not like sex, why you there with her? We're not sodomite. We're not supposed to love everything. We're not supposed to love everything all discharge. That's why them say Shay if you have overnight food for choose, she want one microwave. She want warm up. You don't understand. You don't come on the internet. She rather fingering. She know why your tongue underneath her, my baby. You don't live some wacky life. I think Bogle did dead. I pay a wacky move in a relationship. I not think I like how because the reputation no good. And the funny part about it, someone not even that buried on a history. Someone not even that buried on a past with all sawdust. When they're not even buried on a past with sawdust. Them say me have big A. Remember Rosalie come out and say me have AIDS and is our granny they home with it? Answer the question. Remember Rosalie did talk say my skin yaka yaka. Take a look at me now. Find it. Remember them not know me. Remember them not know me. So anything them give me, I wear it well. I never tell a lie on you. I never tell no lie on you, my baby. So when you not come and talk, say I have big A, man still a look me. I own alone clean. I not depend nothing at all. On a crispy clean. And man no want to know. Make we talk now. I own this so you have the big A. Then lady from me who can till now, then something this for come out and tell the whole of from me grind until now, nobody never come out and yet say me shoot them now give them flow. So every girl knows say me have big A. Now must them man me take and get so they must have it. Fear repeat it. Then that makes sense in a course. Tell me the truth. Oh, una cost so. Oh, una really cost so. Tell me the truth. Every girl say me have AIDS and no man never said. So every girl knows say me have it. That means say me give them man it. So there must be a product of it. That makes sense? Just tell me the truth if that makes sense. Me not tell you say I pay a killer me take. So our bullet I get rid of them and police I put them behind prison. Make that make sense. That makes sense. You know say everybody on TikTok have AIDS. All she have it before she got Belgium. So she pass it on to Queenie. It's called transfer. You can call it credit. Make it make sense now. Make it make sense. That's when people talk me not even bother look upon them. Because number one, you're not sexually active to even have any form of STD. So you look like you're clean, no man no want to, you're not supposed to walk with your virginity. Remember when you come out and say man eat, you know? So I want to know. And that's some because Queenie say a pure lie me I tell, and you believe Queenie, but you and Queenie are the same thing, because Queenie never depend on the trip. And you believe what Queenie say, but all you careless to my baby. Queenie never depend tour. Queenie never depend tour when she a turn or. I don't believe everything we drip from Queenie mouth. Make that make sense? Now that's why I'm not sitting and reason with no phone, you know. Because the lady never depend, because the lady never depend tour, as she make me and Shay now, I open Emmanuel Gate Road. No, you don't understand? Make that make sense. That makes sense. Queenie fair fight for her spot. Remember she has squatters. If she put out Queenie right now, Queenie have nowhere to go. Cause from Queenie say she have work behind she, I know she not save nothing. Not even pension. So make that make sense. Then me I go come out and argue. Me I go come out and argue with them. And say, I don't know what them too lie. When she say I have AIDS and the amount of dirty cocky when she take out here, she supposed to heal by now. Hmm? If she can go in a Jaden bathroom and come out and smell like open cat food, come in and say, can in a open cat food. If she can go wash off in a Jaden bathroom, nobody never tell me say me stink yet. All when the internet say me rotten, nobody never say me nah lie Shebada really smell like him dey on medication. Nobody never say so yet. Someone know who grant them privilege there? Huh? Exact. Thank you, Nikki. Come did when she call on my phone. A she location she have and she depend on the phone regular and a dime phone she call down. I can't understand them truth couple. You know them couple are too truth. So me know them vows real. For them vows real. Me not tell you say them live like puss and dog behind closed door. That makes sense? You not hear the lie with it. Them can't remember the lies with them telling them. And that shake them up. Queenie, stop talking. Now. Them say Queenie tongue smell like Shay front. Which is true. It's true. I believe so. Yeah. Yeah, stop talking. And Shay dons. Shay dons like bat. When me tell you say Shay dons, me mean Shay dons because she no realize that Queenie give her information. Me tell them say when I kill this couple, you know. And now the people let me see what me did say. And at this me couldn't vex when me say Queenie cannot tell Shay, she cannot correct Shay, and Shay cannot correct Queenie. Me tell you say made for each other. Shay dance. The time when the overseas get any rule in a something work by EUA like how them have GED are foreign. Me no know them have a Europe, so me just use EUA. Yeah? Me no know, me just use some acronym. Remember me not live over there. Yeah. Me not understand. So when you go sit down and talk, she appear like you tell. She remember say you have Jaden Dr. Man number and picture information, you know, from before Jaden even boss. From before Jaden boss, you go show we Jaden Dr. Man. You know make him yet? You know boss him yet? From before Jaden boss. You have Jaden Batty information I keep. Come here. Me not talk yet, you know. Remember, me not start when you ever start talk. When you ever start talk, and that me wait for that my fear. That is my biggest fear. When are you going to start talking? I show you. I don't have no receipt. Enough time I hear you tear down people on the app. And me say them people ever know Shay background, them use that and slap her across her face. She couldn't answer back. She if drop the filter, she if ever figure it out in a real life. I mean not talk figure it out under the filter, me talk figure it out in a real life. She if ever figure it out, remember she have moustache. I saw she come at dinner. She come at dinner with her own moustache. Me I said, hi gentleman. No gentleman here no dip on my skin. All she do want to know is I felt at. Now ask you. Now ask you know. Yeah. I one thing people mistake Shay for man and mistake me for a little girl. I don't know how you work it out. People mistake Shay for a big man, a bouncer, a basketballer, a rugby player, a construction worker. They mistake the child for that and them always mistake me for a little girl. Why? And Queen a come about me. Queenie like how you sad that make me feel it that look me. Me feel it that look me for even from sideways. Me feel it that look me. Can me look better than the dude where you lay down in a beg for finger. Yeah. Me feel it that look me Queenie. And them powers them have still, you know. Yeah. Well enough for come about me. She for tell Queenie for shut up. Cause when she done, she go walk and cry. Say, me never trouble him, Me no say, no, me no say nothing about Shebada. Yes, you did. Yes, you did. You know, say your woman will look like a chimney. Your woman will look like a chimney just attack suck. Your woman will look like a piss pot. Your woman will favor enamel granite. A she may attack. You never know. So me not understand. But me I tell, but me listen to people who I tell like, Shay me say stop talking. Oh, Queenie for have your location and I call on them phone. Oh, you and Queenie for dip on the phone regular and them phone she call on because you not answer. Then the time you gonna use your mouth and your all. Remember 7 years you don't get no Jamaican wood in your crutches. Remember where you used to. Remember you a quick breed. Are you them call quick crap? Queenie no. Them memory shatters them a liar. Enter your book liar. And you know say, you see some of my moderator them not like when my class and talk, you know. But you see, them not understand. Say, you see with Shay, you have to on to her. You have to on to her. And you ever give her a loophole. Me say Jaden and she done argue, you know. And Jaden a play a match and for show you how the girl stay. You know what the girl do? The girl go over, they go shoot against Jaden. You know, stay far from everybody. And then when she done, you know, she walk and cry animal. She walk and cry animal. You notice? Jaden over there play match and mind him own a business, you know. She see Jaden over there and she go on like say, she now watch out the boy. And them something me I talk about. Just the same way she say Brittany money and use it as an opportunity for jump on it and take the girl money. Then you don't know the bitch. And without fear or favor. And very lie. She said Jaden over there, so she come and talk about, me not trouble you, you know. Me not trouble you. Your intention was to provoke Jaden by shooting against him, acting like you have it, and you know you don't have it, little girl. You know you bite the hand we feed you. Mind the hand box up on your mouth. You know you bite the hand we feed you. So make it make sense. When I tell people say it's such a steer, it's such a steer, and when you call her out for it now, remember when Ivani do her body, may I tell you how devious she steer. Ivani do her body, you know, and Ivani come and showcase and an extra rate and an outer rate and an outer rate, and all of the rate them Ivani do. You know what she did? Thief Brittany money and go do her body and don't pay for it yet, you know. And go do her body. And so when she come, she stand up on the live every single time and I throw a word pan Ivani. But you see, choose someone who go like on a band in a ghetto, on a door seat. And I remember when I came out and I said, Shay, come here. You see, if Ivani class you, you deserve it. Can me see her throw a word pan Ivani. No for one no remember that, darling. No for one no remember. No for one no remember. No, I said, Shay, stop it. I say, I see what you're doing. I say, I see what you're doing, Shay. No fun to remember my call her out. So when Rosalie them did that cause and say, Shebada, no, tell her the truth. And next time I tell her the truth and I call it shades. And I never shade me a shade her. I wanna jump and cry and talk about, he might bring her down and she not. No, me not bring her down. Me I tell her the truth because she knows, me know who she be. Them know, me know who she be. So when she sit down and she attack and I try play innocent, she done guilty. And that me tell whole heap of people say, if you look closely between she and the camera, you can see all of the wickedness. It's true. Me no run joke with people like them there. Me no run joke with people like them there. You hear she say, one of my family come out and tell her, say, don't hang with me, don't this with me because me no good, me got this and me got that. She, any cousin will tell you that I must have cousin women I like. I must have cousin women I like. If no cousin tell you that, cause me don't know who you attack as number one, me no ramp with cause. Me no rap with cause, she. You know see it? Me no rap with cause, so me don't know which cousin that. So when you try dig up things and find things and try things, she, and if my cousin tell you so before we got dinner, why you got dinner with, I should have poisoned you. I should have poisoned you. Yeah. Yeah, man. Cause my cousin gave her heads up and you really come, I should have give you some boric powder and some rat poison. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, me should just poison at germs like you. Me should just poison you. Me should order your food before and shit in it. For sure. It's just the truth. Queenie, I come at about, you know like Shay, that means say you invite Shay dinner, that means say you could have pies now, Queenie. Me did want you wear black. Me did want to know you cost me in your black outfit. True. I know Queenie should have cost me in a black outfit with her mascara and her eyeliner running a black. Yeah. You know all of this, Lady Mac, and still come out and then have the audacity for come back now and invite Diamond out again. So it's not only one time you came, it's twice. Oh Lord, you missed the rat pies in it 2 times. Them said 3 is a charm. Yeah. Them said the 3rd time is a charm. Where you there, pan? You not feel hanging out again. This time I want you to take Queenie along. Them always say use 1 stone and kill 2 birds. Well, I'm going to show them how to use 1 bingy. Yeah, and kill 2 drunk crow. You never know. You never know that. To all my smart, me say me not even make Shay buy her own food. To all my smart, because if she did ever put dollar to that bill, it wouldn't done to the morning. I saw them people that stay. Me tell them, say, oh no, no, Shay, no. If I never Jaden, oh, see that ear, oh, she feed him and full in belly. You don't know them girl, no. You know, Jaden, come here. What wrong with your stomach? It name Facebook. It just a walk, I accept friends. Then you name from Annie and Shay. Jaden, what wrong with you? You know, say you make your belly govern you. What is so wrong with you? More if Shay could have boiled tea, give me. I tell them, say, I'll only a little bit of Powerpuff Girls, you know. Yeah, I beat her at her own game, and that Jaden don't know. I beat her at her own game. Beat her at her own game. You mad? I not tell them, say, Chella for look at me from head to toe, because she swears to me shop at Belgium. The Chella for look at me from head to toe. No, man. Then what a way the flyer big is a Janko. Come here. Come here, Zandrama. Janko. The flyer big like Zandrama. I want to find out that flyer Jaden name one call by she to the right is Zandrama guy. Suckan drama. Zandrama with the family album in our throat. Zandrama with the family album in our throat. Are you where I talk to? Yeah.